yawn again. Yanni Bear will kick your ass. He'll do it. Yanni Bear Kung Pao action. Yanni Bear didn't do that. Yanni Bear! Sucks, don't it? I bet you wish you could yawn in peace. Yanni Bear! Yanni Bear? Huh? No? Oh, you can't even fake yawn no more? Man, Yanni Bear really messed you up. Still, you just making up stuff now. You just fake news. Fake Yanni Bear news. Yes. Like this. Go ahead. Resist. Yanni Bear dares you. Go ahead. No? Yep. Yanni Bear. Yanni Bear. Good God. You look like you're trying to hack up a bullfrog or something. You got her. What you got in there? Are you strangling? Nod your head twice if you need me to give you the hind leg. You need the hind leg move? I bet you wish you'd yawn. Right? Huh? 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 Go ahead. Open it on up there. Stretch it out there. There you go. Well, you're supposed to yawn while you're done that. You gotta let it loose. Don't hold it back. Let Yanni Bear do his thing. Hocus pocus, Yanni Bear. Man, you still ain't yawning. Man, you're tough. Yanni Bear usually doesn't. He ain't got this much trouble. Yanni Bear's waiting. Hashtag. Yanni Bear! Right? Yeah. Twitter. Hashtag Yanni Bear. Oh! Yanni Bear has struck. Bam! Home run, Yanni Bear. Like a victory trot around the bases there, Yanni Bear. You got a yawn.